Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Realme GT Neo2. But before that, please give my channel a subscription if you can. It's free anyway, and you won't lose anything. Opening the box, we see the slogan 敢越级, which translates to English is Dare to Surpass. Oh, that sounds cool. Then we see some paperwork, a phone. Under that, we see a skin-friendly phone case, a non-transparent one. Feels very smooth. Then the 65-watt fast charging adapter, a Type-C cable, and lastly, a pin. Now, moving to the phone, that's the phone. That's the special blue color we're talking about. Is it beautiful? Let me know in the comment section. As for design, on the right side we have the power button, volume rocker on the left side, a noise cancelling mic on the top. At the bottom we have a SIM tray, another noise cancelling mic, a Type-C port, and a stereo speaker. Moving to the back, we see the triple camera setup. It houses a 64-megapixel primary wide camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle shooter, and a 2-megapixel micro camera. Whilst we are waiting for the phone to reboot, let me walk you through all the specs. The screen of the Realme GT Neo2 is a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution, and there are many features packed in this Samsung panel. The maximum brightness advertised is 1300 nits, but the refresh rate is 120 Hz, available to switch in the UI menu in 4 different steps. The touch summary rate is also impressive, 600 Hz. There's a single punch hole in the left corner for the selfie camera. The Neo2 comes with a Snapdragon 870, the only chipset on the market right now that goes up to 3.2 GHz, thanks to its single Creo 585 core. The SoC is coupled with 6, 8, or 12 gigs RAM and 128 or 256 gigs UFS 3.1 storage. The performance on the GT Neo2 is superb. I tried various games on like PUBG, QQ Car Racing, and even one heavy game, Genshin Impact. All handled smoothly and didn't even experience a hiccup. The sound is great too. What really impressed me is the thermal control. Realme brought an innovative cooling gel with actual diamond particles. There are also an aerospace-grade graphene sheet and a massive 4,229 square millimeter vapor cooling chamber. As you can see, I tested hours of different games on it. The temperatures were still within an acceptable range. Surely it's a high-performance gaming phone. There is also a big 5000 mAh battery to keep the lights on. And with the 65-watt fast charging, the feature emphasis is should top up the device from 0 to 100% in 36 minutes. For the price and availability, you can check it out in the description. What do you think of this phone? Do you think it's still a solid high-performance gaming phone even without the latest chipset from Qualcomm? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one.